every industry has its own standards. And why do we need standards for in industry, any industry or any workplace? Just because to synchronize, just because to get things similar for each and everyone, and everyone will have ease of doing things, ease of understanding things, and there could be some common practices. There could be no ambiguity, no unclarity. So that's why standards are being developed. They are being recommended to be followed, uh, and everyone has its own standards. Every industry has own standards. Automation has its own standards, and all other industries like avionics has its own standards, and so on. Even in the offices, in the plants, we follow some standards. Sometimes we call SOPs as well, standard operating procedures. The standards we are talking is for widely used for automation field, maybe process automation, maybe some other industry, textile industry, manufacturing industry. Here I am not going into details. I am just giving you an overview of what sort of standards are important for you to know when you face with someone, or you work in some automation body, or when you go to some interview, or you go for some test, or something like that. So you must know these standards. Like you cannot remember all of those standards, but you must get some conceptual things from these standards, and then there are some certification based on these standards. And when you follow these standards, you understand these standards, it will give you edge for in two things. One in your operating methods, in your way of working. You will follow standards. Has been working in this field, so we have gone through many projects, many fields. Whenever we go to any field, there will be some new things from an automation engineer, control and automation engineer who have done things differently, but the main principle, like the main basic ground would be the same, and I can easily understand that what does he meant by implementing this in a certain way. These standards encompasses from the basic design to programming to layers to levels to I mean every aspect of the industry. So makes life easier for each and everyone, for those who are working right now, for those who will work in the future. So some of standards which we will see here. It's a very common and well-known body from US, which is called International Society of Automation. Prior to that, it was called the Instrumentation Systems and Automation Society, and before that, it has some other name. But right now, in this modern era, ISA is widely known and most commonly known and followed standard body. Like they create standard, they maintain standard, they update the standards which are being followed in each and every automation industry. uh, it is, I think it is known to everyone who is working in our industry. Then there is IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, which belongs to which has been founded in UK, and it is also like a body which works for electronics, electrical, and these sort of equipments and devices. They make standards for it, and practices, standard practices, methodologies, and those are being followed by everyone throughout the world. Then there is a body which called TUV, some called TUV, some called TUV, TUV, which is primarily from Germany. They are based in TUV Rhineland. They also called as a TUV Rhineland. They certified, they give certification for safety aspects, like they certify you for safety perspective, The English meaning of TUV, it's a German word, but its English meaning is Technical Inspection Association. So they give away some different sort of content, and they train you for different things. Then there is another body which is called ANSI, American National Standard Institute. So overall these are some standards